This is memory wire rings, and I'm gonna show you. I made some simple ones like this with only 2 rows in bicones. This is a very simple one. I wish I put some spacer beads in between or something, but maybe next time. I've also done the spread one with bicones. This with stardust beads and some spacer beads in between. I also made some in the blush pink with bicones and some tubing beads. And then we come to this things that I did with a lot of different things. This is 2 rows with seed beads. I have a lot of razzle dazzle on top here with some rondelles and bicones and some silver glass rondelles. And I made some long ones and a few short ones. Kind of cute, but nothing you can use at work. I also made this black ones. Some different sort of beads on, and this is 3 rows with seed beads. I made this one, this pink one. This is pink and silver glass rondelles and some glass and silver rondelles that I put on. And 2 rows of memory wire. I made this one. It's like a simple ring with just seed beads and some huge tubing beads. And here's another one. This one has bicones and different kind of bicones. You can see that I attached 2 beads into the eye pin there. And I have spacer beads in silver and rondelles, and glass rondelles, and a bit different things on there. Like this. And then I made just one simple one with no beads on the wire at all. And then I attached these, I think they're called cat eye. You can't really see them on camera, but they're kind of see-through. And some purple beads. Very simple. And I also made this one. This is a bead cap and a simple glass rondelle, and I just attached it between the beads on the ring wire. It's kind of cute, very simple to make. And I also made one in black. You see it a little bit better here. It's just a bead cap and a single black rondelle. And I put it between the seed beads here. It's kind of cute. These rings are so much fun to make, and they're easy. Now I'm going to show you how to make one. Basic thing you need for making these memory wire rings is, of course, ring wire, memory wire in ring size. You will need some jump rings. I haven't calculated how many, so I just grabbed a bunch. And you will need head pins in various sizes, or you just pick long ones and cut them off. And I have prepared here these ones. These are gray beads and some silver and glass rondelles with some metal spacer beads in between. I made 6 of those. And then I made some simple, just single beads here and different sizes and colors. Oh, maybe you don't see them. Just put them up here. You see there are a few different gray colors and shapes on the beads. Now we're gonna make the ring wire and put some gray seed beads on them, and then we'll start attaching these beads to them. So first you have to cut the ring wire, and we have the beginning of it right here. And you have to think that you may need like 1/2 centimeter or something for the loop, and then you will need 1/2 centimeter for the other loop. So to make this simple, I just make the loop first. And to be able to attach the beads, you will have to make the loop upwards on this one. So that's what we're gonna do. Now you have the first loop there. So then we have to count. We want the other one to come up on the other side, but to make the ring secure, you will need a second row. So 1 row, and then this row, you will need to cut the wire over here to be able to make the loop to come up next to this one. Like so. And now but first you make the loop, you have to start stringing the beads, and this is deadly boring, so I'm just gonna come back when I strung all the beads on the ring wire. Now I've strung all the beads and I made loops on the ring wire, and now we're going to attach these pieces here. I have these beads there. I lost one somewhere. Huh, there it is. We're gonna attach these 3 on each of the loops here, and then we're gonna put 3 of these also on the loops. Here I have my pliers and my jump rings. So you open the jump ring like this, and you attach one of these and one of the loose beads like so. Then you put it on your ring base like that, and you try to close it without losing anything. There you go. Now you got one on. Now you just continue until you have no more to put on. Now you see we got quite a lot, but that's only on one side. You have a ring on, you have a loop on the other side where I'm gonna put the rest of them on. You can use any beads you like, any colors. It's really up to you and your imagination to make these rings. You can use chains, you can use skulls, you can use whatever. You can use charms as well. You can put as much and as little as you like on the ring. Oh. Oops. Which side was I on? This one. I think. Maybe. Yeah. That one. It's getting full. There you go. You have a lot of beads there. I'm just gonna put it on so that you can see better what it will look like this. You get beads everywhere. I think it's kind of cute. You can do as much or as little as you like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel to be able to see all my content. And I hope that you will give the video a thumb up. Thanks. Bye bye.